Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are learning something new. Okay, so let's start. Look at the objects in each row. Please put a tick in the box with the picture that begins with the letter. So, यहाँ पे एक लाइन है, उसमें ये ऑब्जेक्ट है, उसमें इधर आपको सीक्वेंस में स्मॉल अल्फ़ाबेट्स दिए गए हैं। तो इसमें से फर्स्ट अल्फ़ाबेट कौन सा है? लेटर बी। लेटर बी। तो इसमें से आपको जहाँ जहाँ बिगिनिंग वर्ड बी से स्टार्ट होता है उसमें आपको टिक राइट करना है, और जहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं आता है, मीन्स कि पहला लेटर बी नहीं आता है, तो उधर हमें कुछ नहीं करना है। लीव इट एज इट इज। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट इज, विच पिक्चर इज दिस? विच पिक्चर इज दिस? यस, दिस इज बॉल। दिस इज ball. Which picture is this? Which picture is this? Yes, this is bed. This is bed. And which picture is this? Yes, this is car. So look here, this is ball. Now look at here. Which the picture that begin with the letter B? So this is ball. So B for ball. तो यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है? टिक राइट, फिर नेक्स्ट बेड, BED बेड। सो B फॉर बेड, यहाँ पे भी हमें टिक राइट करना है। C फॉर कार, वी हैव टू डू लीव इट एज इट इज। नेक्स्ट रो A, A, X. Which picture is this? This is X. Which picture is this? This is arrow. And which picture is this? This is pin. So, which the picture that begins with the letter A? Which picture that begin with the letter A? So this is X. So we have to do in this box right. This is arrow. So we have to tick right in this box, and this is pin. So we have to leave as it is. Next row I. Letter I. Which picture is this? This is house. Which picture is this? This is emu. And which picture is this? This is iron. So, which the picture that begins with the letter I? Which the pictures begin letter I? So house? No, because H for house. So we have to leave as it is. Next, emu. I for emu. So we have to tick right in this box. Next, iron. I for iron. So we have to tick right in this box. Next, M. Which picture is this? This is sun. Which picture is this? This is monkey. Which picture is this? This is moon. With the pictures that begins with the letter M. Which picture that begins with letter M? So as for sun, we have to leave as it is this box. M for monkey. M for monkey. So we have to tick right in this box. Next, moon. M for moon. M for moon. So we have to tick right in this box. Okay, now next. Which picture is this? This is quilt. Sorry, this is quilt. This is quilt. Which picture is this? This is eagle. This is eagle. And which picture is this? This is bird. This is quail. This is quail. So, which the picture that begins with the letter Q? Which the picture that begins with the letter Q? So, this is quilt. This is quilt. Q for quilt. Q for quilt. So, we have to tick right in this box. This is eagle, but E for eagle. So, we have to leave this box as it is. Next, this is quail. This is quail. Q for quail. Q for quail. So, we have to tick right in this box. Okay. Next row, V. V. Which picture is this? Which picture is this? This is bird. Which picture is this? This is vase. Which picture is this? This is vase. So, which the picture that begins with letter V? This is bird. So, we have to leave it as it is. This is vase. So, V for vase. We have to tick right in this box. This is also vase. So, we have to tick right in this box. Next row, Y. Y. Which picture is this? This is wool. This is wool. Which picture is this? This is yo-yo. This is yo-yo. And which picture is this? This is zip. This is zip. Now, which the picture that begin with the letter Y? Which the picture that begins with the letter Y? So, this is wool. We have to leave it as it is. This is yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. So, we have to tick right in this box. This is zip. Z for zip. So, here we have to leave it as it is. Next, which picture is this? Which picture is this? This is gift. This is gift box. Okay. Next, this is girl. Which picture is this? This is girl. And which picture is this? This is horse. Next, now Which the picture that begins with the letter G? Which the picture that begins with letter G? So this is gift box. So G for gift. G for gift. So we have to tick right in this box. Okay. Next, G for girl. G for girl. So we have to tick right in this box. And this is horse. So we have to leave this box as it is. Next, which picture is this? Which picture is this? This is pen. This is pen. Which picture is this? This is pen. This is pen. And which picture is this? This is nib. This is nib. Which the picture that begin with the letter N? Which the picture that begin with letter N? So this is pin. Leave the box as it is. This is pen. Leave the box as it is. And this is nib. And for nib. And for nib. So we have to tick right in this box. Okay. Next, Z. Next, Z. Which picture is this? Which picture is this? Yes, this is zucchini. This is zucchini. Which picture is this? This is extreme. This is, which picture is this? This is zero. This is zero. Which the picture that begins with letter Z? Which the picture that begins with letter Z? So this is zucchini. Zucchini for Z. So we have to tick right in this box. We have to leave this box as it is. And this is 0. Z for 0. So we have to tick right in this box. Okay. Now here we are going to finish. Okay. I hope you all are understand.